Hi, welcome to the physics behind. Sorry for a little bit late. I mean 1 year late. Everyone was asking that why my videos are not coming regularly.
Who asked? Like, genuinely, who asked?
So let's start today's episode and Happy New Year. Today's topic is chaos. The smoke coming out from the incense stick, cigarette, mosquito coil initially flows in a simple straight line or in ordered way. But after some time, it moves here and there in disorganized manner like Brownian motion, and it means chaos. At present, it is one of the most important topic of science and mathematics because according to the Newtonian physics, everything in the world is predictable if we know the present condition of the system. The Newtonian world is mostly works on linear equation. In most cases, we see proportional or inversely proportional relations here. So the change in one variable with respect to the other variables is easily predictable. But chaos works against predictability. In a system where chaos is there, we can't predict a simple event easily. We say it non-linearity. Assume one bridge can take a load of maximum 50 kg. Now, if I apply 20 kg load on the bridge, it will bend slightly. Again, if I apply 20 kg more load, it will bend twice of the initial. Up to this position, Newtonian linearity is working. But if I apply another 20 kg load, then the bridge will collapse. And here comes the non-linearity. Because according to Newtonian's physics, the bridge should bend thrice of the initial. But here, the same amount of force changing the whole linear system. A real-life example of non-linear system is flight path of a moving balloon, as it is totally unpredictable, means chaos. So as chaotic system is unpredictable, there shouldn't exist any valid mathematical expression or formula. But what will happen if we apply mathematical formulas in a chaotic system? Is it against science? Let's play a game. Take 3 nonlinear points A, B and C on a paper, where 1 or 2 is mentioned beside A, 3 or 4 mentioned beside B, 5 or 6 mentioned beside C. Now randomly take a point on the paper. Now throw a Ludo dice. Let's assume the dice is showing 6. Now take a point in the middle of the random point and C, as 6 is mentioned in C. Now throw the dice again. Assuming now dice is showing 4. Now take a point between the last point taken and B, as 4 is mentioned beside B. Now continue this process like the same way. If you do the process repeatedly again and again, you will get an amazing image where if you zoom the image, you will see the same pattern again and again. This type of pattern is also known as fractals. Now, why we played this game? If you think carefully, here you can see that the random numbers of the dice is forming a pattern, or we can say symmetry in asymmetry. Here, take the example of a flock of birds. If you take the path of a particular bird, you will get a random path. But if you see the whole flock, you will get a pattern. Means a small element of a chaotic system seems random, but at the same time the whole system appeared to be systematic. So it is possible that we can draw mathematical expression in a chaotic system. One of the mathematical expression of chaotic system is attractor that I mentioned in the last video 1 year back. Those who have already seen the video on butterfly effect, they know about attractor. There I discussed about Lorentz attractor, and in case if you have not seen, What are you waiting for? Go and check the video at first. The video link is in the description. Okay, again going to the Newtonian physics. As I told, according to the Newtonian physics, everything in the real world is predictable if we know the present condition of the system. And here the most difficult word is if, because we can't determine the present condition of a system 100% accurately. Last video, I told that it is impossible to predict the outcome of an equation correctly if it consists number of variables. Example, stock market, weather, etc. Now look at the surrounding. Whatever we see in our society and nature, it depends on multiple variables, and thus it is a chaotic system. Therefore, to understand the predictability of nature and human behavior, we need a deep, thorough study on a chaotic system. This long, thin sheet of metal attached with a heavy base. Now, if we vibrate the metal, initially it will vibrate linearly or in a predictable path. But if we increase the vibration, after a particular time, the vibration will reach in an unpredictable state. The same type of structure we use in spaceship solar panels. And to understand the vibrations of the solar panels, we need to study chaos. We need to know when a system will transform to a chaotic system from a linear system. That's why we need to study chaos. Nowadays, we are using bifurcation diagrams to identify a system's behavior. Chaos is a fundamental part of nature, and we started researching about chaos when we discovered the butterfly effect. If you want to know more about chaos, I can recommend this book, Chaos, written by James Clegg, and obviously it is not a paid promotion. Who will pay in this channel? गजब बेइज्जती है. And this is the today's topic. If you like the video, please like, share, and
please
yeah, that's one. Please do that. So see you in the next video with a new topic very soon. Promise.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?